the spirituality of the choice words, the peace, the 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 uplifting that it gives you is all spirituality. It's like the natural things that are in melanated people only. Now, Jesus led me with his lion self, led me to
Now, well, we see that's where we go to a different space because Satan is the father of lies, and Jesus came to
right.
bring the truth, the light. He is the truth. So
Okay.
when you would
Well,
call him, so it's evident that this Jesus transformed you at a time,
yes.
uh, just
It
by in
start
your own words.
yes. I have overcame the world through hearing Jesus, but I reincarnated through hearing my people.
But
So
your
I came
people,
back,
okay.
I elevated my consciousness from one book, because truth and knowledge don't stop at right here. It's infinity.
Hmm. Yeah,
So
we'll never
so
attain
the
it all.
knowledge, so the knowledge to obtain is really a consciousness of the universe, of the laws of nature,
But
is what the
do,
spirit.
do we not recognize that God created all these things?